We're supposed to have lots of rain this next week, so I decided that I would do a little planting. I put this ornamental grass here, and hopefully when it thickens up, you won't see the mess behind the oriental grass. I have lots more to bring over later, but this is a start. Also today, we put in the steps wall. I need a little tweaking done to it, plus the toppers, and I noticed that I also finished row 3 and 4, now just waiting for the toppers. And if it doesn't rain tomorrow, I just may be wrapping this baby up, doing the wall down there. That would be nice. So this is wall 3 complete. And the reason why it's a little higher there is that there is a higher wall just behind it in a semicircle. So we raised it to there. And we're even talking about maybe row 4, putting another row of blocks on top of it. Perhaps if we have some left over. So we're starting to look pretty darn good.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.